Are you ready to make money on YouTube, but you aren't interested in setting up a recording studio in your closet or spare bedroom? Ever wonder how some YouTubers seem to have an endless stream of content without breaking a sweat? Well, they might just be using what's called YouTube automation to create faceless channels. Let's take a little journey into the world of creating content effortlessly. So, what exactly is YouTube automation? It's a game changer. It's when creators use tools and software to handle parts of their video production and channel management. This could mean scheduling videos, automating social media posts, or even using AI to edit videos. It's like having a tiny digital production crew. I remember when I first stumbled upon this concept. It felt like I found a secret passage to consistent content without losing sleep. And let me tell you, it's a relief knowing your channel is buzzing with activity while you're possibly snoozing or traveling your favorite vacation spots. However, before you run and try to create the next viral faceless YouTube automation channel, let's look at the 22 best faceless niches that can put you on the path of YouTube automation success. First up, DIY craft tutorials. Engage your audience with hands-on activities. A top channel in this niche is Crafty Panda, known for its high viewer engagement. Next, educational videos. Cover broad topics like science and history with captivating animations. Channels like the Organic Chemistry Tutor make learning accessible and fun. For a simpler content approach, consider relaxing or study music. Channels like Lofi Girl provide endless hours of soothing audio to help viewers focus or unwind. Animation and storytelling allow for creative expression. Check out Angramiko for inspiration on bringing stories to life through animation. Gaming enthusiasts can explore gaming videos. Simply capture your gameplay and offer walkthroughs or tips. In the meditation and wellness niche, channels like Goodful offer guided practices to enhance physical and mental health. Compilation videos are all about themed collections like funny moments or incredible facts, easy to produce and always engaging. Consider creating documentaries. Dive deep into topics with just voiceovers and compelling visuals, much like Real Stories does. Product reviews are hugely popular. Showcase gadgets and goods with hands-only content, inspired by Unbox Therapy. ASMR content focuses on sensory experiences, perfect for audio-focused creators. Channel your inner scientist with science experiment videos. Demonstrate fascinating experiments like Mark Robber, focusing on setups and results. Arts and crafts are ideal for creative expression and product linking. Gain inspiration from channels like 5-Minute Crafts. Software and tech tutorials offer detailed guides on using software and tech gadgets, ideal for tech enthusiasts. Share your culinary skills with food and cooking demos. Cook and narrate from a first-person perspective to engage foodies. Offer insights on popular media with movie and TV reviews. Channels like Cinema Sins use voiceovers to critique films and shows effectively. Deliver the latest updates with voiceover news. Use relevant visuals and voiceovers to inform viewers, similar to Vox. Poetry and spoken word channels, like Button Poetry, showcase performances backed by minimal visuals, focusing on the audio experience. Explore and share fascinating locations with virtual tours. Showcase the beauty of places like the local project does through videos and photos. Teach languages through language learning tutorials using scripted lessons and visual aids. Create playlists for different moods with music compilation channels. A simple yet engaging content type that keeps viewers listening. Engage viewers with rankings and lists on diverse topics. Channels like WatchMojo thrive in this engaging format. Finally, fitness and yoga instruction can be adapted to be faceless. Demonstrate exercises and routines clearly and effectively. There you have it, 22 great YouTube niche ideas that don't require showing your face. Perfect for maintaining privacy while building a successful channel. Each niche has unique appeal and potential for growth. Pick one that resonates with your interests and start creating content that could reach millions. Which niche caught your interest? Drop a comment below. Start creating today and watch your channel grow. Happy creating!